Hey guys, let's start our unboxing video of POCO F1 which we purchased from mi.com. So yesterday at 8 p.m. we ordered from mi.com and today now it is around 5:30 p.m. we got the delivery. So let's begin. Okay, so let's open the case. So now we can see that this is the POCO F1 phone, which comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 10nm octa-core processor, 3 2 hybrid SIM tray with 12 volt D, and most importantly, what do we need to say, the seal is intact. The year of manufacturing is October 2018. So without wasting time, let's start to unbox. So in the box we have the phone. You can see that this is fully covered. So let's keep the phone aside. Let's see what other things are given. This is a fast charge adapter which is compatible with type C. This one is the original type C cable and the SIM ejector tool. So now let's move on to this packet. So Xiaomi provides a clear case and the instructions. Let me open the clear case. Okay, not bad. Now let's remove the sticker from the camera. So it looks like this. And then I'm gonna remove this sticker as well. Now it is time to turn on the phone. Again I will remove this sticker as well on the cover. phone is shipped with MIUI 9, so hopefully we would get an update with MIUI 10 and Android Pie. I prefer to choose English United States. Next, choose region, India. So after following certain step, after adding Google account and MI account, you will see this additional setting screen. So in this screen, if you see the last option, personalized ad recommendation, so if you keep this recommendation enabled, then you will get the ads. So as I do not want to see ads, so I would prefer to keep this disabled. So now setup is complete. So this is the next screen. It took a while to load the apps. I would allow POCO launcher. So here we go. So let's check the settings. About phone, POCO F1, Android 8.1.0. MIUI 9.6, octa-core 2.8 GHz processor, 6 GB RAM. So out of 64 GB, only 54.37 GB is available. This is the first boot of the phone. We did not install any app at this moment. Let's see if we have any system updates so far. Okay, so we got MIUI version 10 update. So we will apply this update. For the time being, we will allow the device to download it, and then we will start to use. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.